we're here today in the Liberty Stadium in Swansea. This is the final of the Western Bay Community Cohesion Cup event. This is the culmination of a series of events that have taken place over the last few months between South Wales Police and the local minority ethnic communities. What we've been doing is using sport as a means of engaging with these communities, try and break down some of those historical barriers that have existed and improve relationships effectively.
So this is the second year we've been running this event. The aim of this project is to encourage more people from black and ethnic minority communities to take part in sport and physical activity. Different aims of this event, obviously from my perspective, is to try and get more people playing football, more people being active. And from the South Wales Police perspective is trying to get more engagement with the minority community of Swansea, trying to build that closer relationship and build a confidence between the communities in Swansea. And overall, just getting more people mixing in with one another, learning about each of the culture, each of the religions, each of the ethnicity, and taking it forward and putting it together and playing football overall, really.
Well, the Cush Star 11 that's in the final now, they've come through a vigorous tournament to get this far. Some vigorous games, which obviously they come out on top, hence why they're here today at the Liberty, playing against the Select 11 from South Wales Police. As you can see, superb facilities here. A lot of them are actually Swansea City fans anyway. They come from all different backgrounds and they've come together for the Cohesion Cup. But because of their actual training schedule, they've actually come together and actually come through to the final, with the majority of them wanting to play here at the Liberty, so it's a great experience for all.
We've got St David's Roman Catholic School and they've taken part in a competition to design a poster for what community cohesion meant to them, and a young girl called Alba won that competition and she'll be presented with a prize after the game as well. We've got the spectators, obviously some people are supporting the Cush Stars, quite a few of them actually, which is a great show and turnout in fairness. We've got some of the mums as well, and we've got the teachers from the school, so it's great, and also local officers have come to support as well. It's fantastic, really good turnout.
So we've just done the presentation of the Western Bay Community Cohesion Cup, and the Cush Stars were winners against South Wales Police 11, 4-2. Played in a really good spirit throughout the game, but also the interaction with the crowd has been first class. In creating the event, there's lots of work goes on behind the scenes, lots of thank yous, firstly to Swansea City for the use of the Liberty Stadium, which adds a lot of value to the tournament. To Lee Trundle, an ambassador for Swansea City, brings a lot of support but also raises the profile of the event. BME Cymru and Yest in their support. Macron, who have provided a kit for the winning team, which they're now able to keep, and also gives them a bit of sustainability for their team for next year, so I'm really grateful for that. And also GMB for providing some assistance in the event. Last but not least is the officers and the staff who've been engaging, and also those who have played today, and I'm sure they've had a thoroughly good time today.